Hey there guys, so today I want to show you a super easy recipe which is also low carb and very delicious, and I promise you, you can't go wrong with this. You want to cut down your zucchini first, and you want to cut it down like this so you get long thin slices. So you want to use a very sharp knife for that, and my boyfriend luckily did that for me. Then in a bowl you want to take your curd, I think that's what you call it. Then you want to add salt, pepper and some Italian herbs. Then you also want to add a little bit of pesto to that, just for the flavor. And then you want to add some parmesan cheese. Want to give that a good mix so it's all just one nice creamy texture. Then you want to add in 2 eggs and mix again. And in the background corner there you can see my cat. It was a very stormy day and she had so much fun watching all the leaves fly around on our balcony. So cute. Okay, now you want to take a tin, you want to put some oil into it and spread it all around. And then you want to put down some of your zucchini slices. And make sure they don't overlap too much. And now you can put on some of the cream. And you want to spread it out nice and thin and basically repeat that over and over again until you have finished everything. And I found that the amount of zucchini and the amount of cream worked out perfectly. So I think I had about 4 layers of this. And then finally you want to spread the rest of the Parmesan cheese on top, and if you're like us, you want to spread even more cheese on there. And then you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for I think around 20 to 25 minutes. I will have the exact measurements and time down below. I hope you try this because it is very delicious and it's so simple, and honestly you could put in anything you'd like to, but yeah, this is just a super quick recipe. Hope you liked it, and goodbye.